Come on, get in there. Yeah, who is he anyway? You don't even know him. Come on.
Not.
Get in. Is it going too high?
Okay.
She'll get going.
Why don't we increase the water while she's in there?
Come on, get in there. Come on. Come on, get in there. Come on. Come on. Get in. Yesterday she was all in it. Come on, get in there. Hey, you stay out here with her. I gotta go get my plants out of the car. Move Jeff over to the side a minute.
Come on, Amy. Go on. Come on. Come on, Amy. Come on. Come on. Where'd you drop the ball? Where's the ball? Come on, Amy. Go get it. Go get the ball. Go get it. Good to. Amy, stay. Amy, come here. Come here, Amy. Come here, Amy. Go get it. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy. Go get it.
Don't turn it up. Turn it down. You waste water. Turn it down.
She. Wow, she didn't. She's brave.
She loves it.
Even if it's on.
Turn the water up because it wastes. That's why I keep it low. Turn it down a little more. I like to keep it in the pool, and then I save the pool water. What you got? You got your ball?
Come on, Amy. Getting good at getting that ball out. Come on, Amy. Come on, Amy. See if you get it. Come on, Amy. Go get it. Amy, come here. Come here, come here. Amy, Amy, Amy. Amy, Amy, Amy. I don't need the ball. I thought that was the ball. Let's see. Go get it. Come on, Amy. Go get it. Now let me increase some more. Oh, let's see. I think she might be interested now. Go on, Amy. Go on, Amy. Go on. Go on. Go on. Be brave. Be brave. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Turn off the water.
Come on, Amy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Aww.
Jeff, it's enough water. Look at her. Get the ball. See, it doesn't really, when the water goes like that. I mean, because it's so full.
I bet she's gonna do that again, isn't she?
Oh, she loves it, Jeff. She loves it.
Is she part water dog?
Yep. Golden. Golden retrievers. All water dogs. Yeah, she loves the water too. Here, Mama, take this away. Mama, have this.
Why don't we spray? Why don't we spray with the hose? Why?
She doesn't need to be sprayed. She's got that big bucket. She does love the sprinklers, though. The sprinklers came on the other night, and she heard them, and I didn't. Because they weren't supposed to come on, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she loves it.
You memorized the pictures, right?
Not memorized, but I have.
I mean, which ones to go in order by, but so I could know where to shave and what.
Heck, if I don't have them memorized, son. I can't memorize. Look at it. Holy Lord, I wish I had my camera. Can you just take a picture of her, please? When she's laying. Woo! Is that fun? Is that so fun?
Well, I could probably take it when I go through the video again. Try throwing the ball again. I haven't seen the morning doves. Are they gone for good?
Yeah, I haven't seen them. We got a lot of scrub jays, and I think they ran them off.
Oh, I'm gonna miss them. Lay down.
Oh, really?
Lay down.
She's not gonna do that.
Ooh.
And not for you, anyway.
Try it. Try it for you.
Amy. Amy. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Amy. Nah, she ain't gonna do it for me either. Amy, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Where's your ball? Come on, get in. Come on. Woo. Come on, get in. Amy. Amy, sit. Amy, sit. Sit. She said to hell with you. Amy, sit. Nope, she ain't gonna do it.
I did take a picture.
She did graduate from her training. She can do all those things, but she don't do it when she's playing. Careful now. You know I'm not going to throw that ball in the dirt. Thank you.
Is that a cat?
Huh?
Did I just hear a cat?
Probably. Uses my garden for a...
Why don't we get our own morning doves and see if we can get them back?
Well, I can't get our own morning doves. They either come or they don't.
I miss them.
You don't even live here. I miss hearing the cooing. Ready? She loves to play ball.
Try throwing two. See which one she'll go after.
It don't matter. There. Now you're not going to put this whole video on, Jeff. It'll be way too long.
If it's entertaining.
Yeah, but way too long.
Shouldn't be that long. It's like under 10 minutes or so. It's like 10. Here, you try throwing both.
All right.
I only got it like,
You ready? Here we go. 1,
I meant at the same
2.
time.
Oh, I can't. I don't know if I can do it both at the same time.
Sure. Here, let me get it again.
Okay, here we go.
Here.
Try.
Try. You can throw it both in one hand. Hold on, wait.
See, I can't. Can't get it in. She
You
helped me,
want
though.
to record while I do it?
Okay.
Careful what buttons you push.
I'm not going to push anything.
Come on, Amy. Watch. Come on. Did you get her? Did
I
you get-
guess. I don't know.
did
I
you-
can't see it.
Go into the shade a bit.
I still can't see it. Too dark at 2.
Can
Yeah, I
you-
got her. Mm-hmm.
Now can you see better?
Well, a little.
Here,
Okay.
balls.
Jeff.
Now watch it. Now watch.
Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, I see how it's just as good as mine. And I did 2 hands. She heard John cough. Here.
John.
Mm-hmm. Gloria's. No, don't go in the dirt. Oh.
Now you got a bath her.
No, she'll get back in there.
You missed.
Yeah, I missed. Come on. Yeah, I use a mess. Ready? Yeah, boy, use a mess.
She'll lay down after this.
Oh, I'm gonna feed her and then she'll lay down.
What's Odie up to?
I don't know, probably went to the bathroom.
Let's see if he'll get in the water.
He won't, and don't you make him.
Why?
Because he jumped in Dana's pool and he's never forgot that.
How long was that ago?
Probably, I don't know, 2 years. He didn't know what he was doing. He just saw it and he jumped in it. Silly boy. All I heard was Dana scream. What time is it?
2:55.
1:55?
2.
It isn't 2.
It says here.
12:55.
It says 2:55 right on my watch. Oh wait, that's New York time.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Dang it. I don't want her to have to run too far because I don't want her to slip and fall because her feet are wet. What time
There we
is
go,
it?
12:55.
Oh, wow, it is late. All right. You old duck, you. I'm gonna go over to Lisa's this week and see if she'll get in the pool. Gotta invite her, though. You can't let them just jump in the water. They have to be invited in the pool. Listen to her. You are just soaking wet, girl.
You know, I bet that little pool that we just passed by at
What little pool?
at the house
Oh, you mean the slip and slide thing? Yeah.
yeah,
The bounce house pool.
I bet she would have got in there.
Yeah, but see, her nails might tear the rubber. That's the problem. That's why I got a plastic pool. I've got her a water pad.
Oh, here she comes with that trick again. Oh, just missed it.
Come on. I know, he's a goofball, isn't he?
There's a special feature on Wondershare Filmora. Take special highlights from the video and actually and stitches them together.
Uh-oh. I can't let her have balls in the house, you know why? She
Why?
puts them in the water dish and then she makes a mess. Because she splashes with them. So I can't let her have them in the house. You sound like a big old sloppy girl right now. What time is it now? How long you been recording her?
13 minutes and 25 seconds.
15 minutes?
13.
Okay. At 15 minutes we're stopping. That's enough water play. Come on.
Let me combine the two videos using the using my in video editing app. Let me put the two videos together.
Hey, Jeff. What do I care? I don't care what you do. I just waited because I figured you'd probably like to record her.
I got two pictures.
Then wait till you see her eat, what she does when she eats.
You want me to get that?
Well, if you want.
You want me to use the tripod for that?
Well, it's up to you what you do. She self-feeds with a dinger.
What?
She self-feeds with a dinger.
What's that mean?
Well, she hits the bell and the food drops in. She hits the bell and the food drops in like Pablo's dog. Oh, darn it. Where are we at for time?
How about I throw it in the dirt?
Huh?
How about I throw the ball in the dirt?
No, Jeff. No, because then it comes in the house. What time is it?
10 seconds.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, one more, and then that's it. I'm gonna pick them up. So I got a dryer.
Do you want me to record you drying her?
No.
What?
No.
You're gonna use the blow dry?
No. I'll just use a towel. Okay, come on. Come on up here. Oh. Come on.
What a nice doggy she is. What a funny. What's your, Mama? Tell me what your thought. Oh, you're drying her with a towel.
Yep.
What are your thoughts on Amy about her doing this?
Well, it's fun for her.
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah. I do it because it's fun for her. Wears her out. She likes it. Don't go nowhere now. Come on. Let me have your feet. Oh, hold on. No. Oh, you're going to Jeff. Okay.
Look at me. Look at me.
Give me your foot.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at. Stare in my face. Oh, wait. I wanted her to stare in my face.
Okay, come on.
Hold on. Amy, stare in my face. Wait, I wanted her. Oh, I'll have to try and get her.
Okay, come on. Let's go in the house.
That was fun.
Go on, everybody. Make some mess. Go on.